Want to master Google's new Nano Banana Pro in just a few minutes? Stick around because you're probably using it all wrong. I'm going to show you how to get perfect, stunning images every single time. Let's start with the 4 golden rules. Rule number 1. Use natural language. Seriously, stop dumping random keywords. Instead of just writing cool car, neon city, night, try something much more descriptive like a cinematic wide shot of a sports car racing through rainy Tokyo at night. See the difference? You're telling a story, not just listing tags. Golden rule number 2 is a game changer. Edit, don't restart. So many people get an image they almost like, and then they start a completely new chat. Don't do that. Just tell the AI what you want to change. You can literally say, "Great photo, now change the lighting to sunset." It understands conversational commands, which makes iterating so much faster. Next up, golden rule number 3, be extremely specific. The more detail you give the AI, the closer it will get to the image in your head. For example, instead of just saying a woman in a suit, try this: a 27-year-old model with dark hair, wearing a vintage Chanel suit with pearl buttons, lit by soft window lighting. That level of detail gives the AI a clear blueprint to work from. And finally, golden rule number 4, always add context. Tell the AI what the image is for. Is it for social media? A presentation? An ad? For instance, you could say, create a YouTube thumbnail for a tech review, or create an ad for Amazon, or even create an infographic. The AI will optimize the composition, style, and layout based on the purpose you provide. Now let's dive into some incredible examples you can start using right now. Need viral thumbnails? Just upload one good photo of yourself. The AI will learn your face perfectly. Then describe the scene. You can specify your face expression, the action you're doing, any text you want on the image, the background, and the main subject need a revision. It's as easy as saying, make the text neon blue, or make me look more surprised, and boom, it's done. How about professional product photos? Forget expensive studio shoots, upload a single photo of your product, and you can get amazing shots instantly. Try asking for a 4-image editorial collage with dramatic lighting in a high-fashion style. You can even take it a step further, show it a photo of a dress and say, put this dress on a 27-year-old model walking on a runway. The possibilities are insane. It doesn't stop there. Nano Banana Pro can even research and design entire infographics for you. You can just prompt, create a 16:9 infographic showing the best times to visit Disney parks in 2026. It will gather the data and present it beautifully. The advanced editing features are also mind-blowing. You can remove anything from a photo: crowds, distracting objects, logos, even shadows. You could take a photo of a couple at a tourist spot and say, remove all other people and restore the full view of the couple, or what about changing seasons? Take a picture of your house and say, turn this house into a winter snow setting. You can even deconstruct products for ads. Imagine saying, show all the ingredients of a burger floating, layer by layer, on a clean white background. So let's recap the key takeaways. Always use natural language. Edit your images instead of starting over. Be super descriptive with your prompts. And finally, always give the AI clear context for what you're creating. If you follow these steps, you can master Nano Banana Pro and turn this incredible AI into your personal, one-person business power tool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.